Shrestha smells very beautiful. Dammi bhayo.
Hello, namaste. Welcome to the first episode. आजको एपिसोडमा चाहिँ हामी Nepali style sausage rolls बनाउन जाँदैछौँ. So sausage rolls are a very popular, quintessential British snack here. So then I had an idea, how can we turn this very British snack into Nepali? So सर्वप्रथम चाहिँ हामी हाम्रो oven-मा bake गर्ने हो sausage rolls लाई. त्यसैले we're gonna turn the oven on to about 200. We're gonna get started with the fillings. त्यसको लागि चाहिँ मैले chicken ground mince ready. I can't find chicken mince that easily around where I live, so I just got chicken breast and then I minced that myself. So about 400 grams of chicken mince goes in. This much we're going to go ahead and add breadcrumbs. So breadcrumbs it helps keep the filling very soft and moist. Normally coriander, spring onions, so we just need to chop these very finely. You guys are gonna see my very bad cutting skills. That goes in our mixture as well. Our next thing I'm gonna change onions. So you need about 2 small onions, or if you have a big large one, so just use 1. And all you need to do with the onions is just chop it very finely. Mixture just like you would make momo filling. This is So अब यो मात्रै हामीले add गर्न जाँदैछौँ garlic and ginger. Garlic and ginger लाई हजुरले finely chop पनि गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. You don't have to have a pestle and mortar. You need about a tablespoon of each, but I like to combine the both, so 2 tablespoons in total of ginger and garlic. And that's pretty much it, guys, for the chopping and the hard work. So the rest of the ingredients are all of our masalas. Some garam masala. Then we need some chaat masala, some jeera powder, cumin powder, turmeric, black pepper, and salt to taste. We also have some garlic granules or garlic salt, whichever one you have. Some cardamom powder. A little magic ingredient is a chicken stock. So you just want to crumble that in. And that's it, guys. All you want to do is give this a good mix. So after you mix that in, with clean hands, of course, you just want to massage the meat and the spices in together. That smells so good. And there we go, guys. Our filling is ready, so let's go ahead and make our sausage rolls. So our next step is the pastry. So pastry you need some puff pastry. Pastry actually use about 15 minutes fridge because then it's so much easier to handle. So lay your pastry out like this, and all you need to do is cut it into half down the middle. Going to assemble our sausage rolls. So just whisk the eggs in. Take a quarter of that meat, guys. Then like say evenly your pastry and distribute goodness like this. Preferably हजुरले एउटा त्यो किचन ब्रश भन्ने पाउँछ त्यसले युज गरिन्छ भने सजिलो हुन्छ. मेरो छैन, त्यसैले म चाहिँ यो स्पुन युज गर्दै छु. अब हाम्रो sausage roll लाई रोल गर्नुपर्छ. So first यस्तो गर्नुस्, and then यसलाई चाहिँ लिएर we're gonna roll down. Dry fork लिएर we're just gonna make small patterns. And then what you want to do is cut this into small bite-sized pieces. I'll go to under layer. We just need to put a little bit on top of each sausage roll. So these babies are now ready to go in the oven. They are ready to go. They're looking golden brown and the pastry has puffed up. So let's get them out. They will be so good with Nepali chutney, and luckily he just Nepali chutney guy. Okay guys, हाम्रो नेपाली स्टाइल ससेज रोल्स चाहिँ तयार भइसकेको छ। अब चाहिँ म मेरो नेपाली स्टाइल ससेज रोल्सलाई टेस्ट गर्नको लागि मेरो मम्मी, मेरो बहिनी र मेरो भाइलाई बनाउन चाहन्छु। मेरो गेस्टहरु।
Oh, cool entrance.
They smell really good. Shrestha smells. Yo, your sausage roll.
Oh, yum.
Very मिठो भयो।
हो?
दामी भएछ। मोमोको मिश्रण भएछ। मिठो भएछ अनि मेरो अचारले जला घरझन एकदम मिठो भयो।
Another one.
Okay, please do. Okay guys, so
Very good.
मिठो भएछ।
यही नै थियो आज हाम्रो episode 1. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Welcome to the first episode of What's on the Table. Wait, what's on the table?